Alam niyo ba kung bakit Book of Judges ang kasunod ng Book of Joshua? Kasi nung mga panahon na si Joshua ay namatay na, ang mga judges lang ang meron sa mga panahon yun. So walang leader na namuno sa mga Israelites. Tapos alam niyo ba na sa Judges, nangyari yung mga panahon na nag-gather ang lahat ng mga tribes against the children of Benjamin, kasi may group of people nung panahon yon na from the children of Benjamin na nagkaroon ng malaking kasalanan. So, lahat ng mga tribes ay naging against sa tribe ni Benjamin, to the point na sinabi nila dito sa chapter 21. So, nasa Judges tayo. Verse 6, "And the children of Israel repented them for Benjamin their brother, and said, There is one tribe cut off from Israel this day." Tapos sinabi pa nila sa verse 11, "And this is the thing that you shall do. You shall utterly destroy every male and every woman that hath lain by men." Pero nagbago din naman yung isip nila, kasi 'di ba dapat 12 tribes? So hindi dapat makulangan ng isa. So sabi nila sa last part ng chapter na yon, sa verse 17, "And they said, There must be an inheritance for them that be escaped of Benjamin, that a tribe be not destroyed out of Israel." So kahit papano naisip nila na gusto pa rin nila magkaroon ng Benjamin tribe. Tapos ito yung mga panahon na sila lang ang nagde-decide, kasi nga walang namumuno. And nabanggit pa mismo sa last verse ng Book of Judges, which is chapter 21, verse 25. "In those days there was no king in Israel. Every man did that which was right in his own eyes." So, yun yung Book of Judges. Thank you po for watching. God bless you. God bless us po.